To achieve any significant goal requires unwavering belief that you can hit the goal. And if you've got a plan B, unquestionably it says, I don't fully believe that plan A is going to work out. Because why would you ever need a plan B? If you were convinced, unwavering faith, no doubt about it, I'm hitting plan A, what would be the point of a plan B? And the reality is, if you don't fully believe it, if you don't have unwavering belief, then why would you put an extraordinary level of effort towards achieving it? You simply wouldn't. Another really great example of this is Muhammad Ali. You know, incredible boxer, man of incredible quotes. I've used a bunch of his quotes on the show. Absolutely fantastic. Here's another one. I said I am the greatest. I said that before I even knew that I was. He didn't accept second best. He went out there to be the greatest boxer on the planet. And he said with absolute conviction, it was an affirmation, a positive affirmation. Keep saying the thing. Make sure you believe it. Don't doubt, don't second guess. Believe it and go all in. Because that way you'll put an extraordinary level of effort in. Now, if you've got a plan B, it's not saying you won't achieve plan A, but it is saying there's a significant negative impact on your chances of achieving it.